YouTube has always been full of music videos. But these days a completely different kind of music is quietly exploding on YouTube. Music that has no face, no famous singer, but millions of people are watching it every day. One creator got over 1 million views on his very first video. After that his channel grew to over 183,000 subscribers and amassed nearly 20 million views in total. And the cool thing is, even now, each new video he posts easily gets hundreds of thousands of views. And that's exactly why in this video, I'm going to show you the same process, step by step, so you can start your own faceless music channel using artificial intelligence. One that does most of the hard work for you. And one very important thing, I'm not going to hide anything. In this video you'll see the complete blueprint for building a fully branded channel, from making videos that people actually want to watch, to optimizing them for growth, and most importantly, the steps that almost no one talks about. Okay, now let's build a channel like this, so let's go. Now you enter ChatGPT and ask him to generate 10 song prompts for you. In the same request, you clearly specify that after writing these 10 prompts, he will stop and not continue. And this time you ask him to create 10 prompts of the best and most professional song prompts in the world for you. Prompts that are not just a few simple words, but are written in complete and precise detail. In fact, the foundation of the success of these types of channels lies precisely here. The quality of the prompts you write directly affects the quality of the music, the audience's retention time, and ultimately the growth of your channel. Now you're asking him to produce 30 high-quality video prompts for you again. Prompts that, each on their own, can serve as the foundation for creating a professional, eye-catching video. Below I'll show you how to use these 30 high-quality prompts to create videos that look professional, are optimized for YouTube's algorithm, and can set your channel on a path to real growth. Now enter the Music GPT site. I have put the link to this site in the video description section for you, so that you can easily access it. Music GPT is one of the most powerful music creation sites with artificial intelligence that can produce a complete and professional song in just a few seconds, exactly based on your taste and prompts. The output quality of this site is very high, and in many cases it creates music that is completely competitive with professional songs in terms of sound, arrangement and overall feel. Working with this site is very simple. Just register with your email first and log into the user panel. This is exactly the tool that allows you to continuously and professionally produce content for your faceless music channel without going into the complexities of traditional music production. In the rest of the video, I show you how to use songs created in Music GPT and turn them into engaging videos that keep the audience engaged until the end and have a high chance of going viral. Now that you have registered and logged into your user panel, go to the Tools section. In this section you will see different tools, each with different capabilities, but in this video I am going to use only the current section, because it is exactly what we need to create a song. At this point, you will return to ChatGPT and copy the prompts you created earlier. Then you will return to the Music GPT site and enter these prompts in the relevant section. After entering the prompt, just click on the Create button. The whole process is done automatically, and in just a few moments your song will be ready. I have entered several different prompts myself, and a separate song has been created for each one. As you can see, the creation speed is very high, and the output quality is quite professional and audible. Now let's take a listen to one of the songs that was created, so you can see exactly how natural, clean and usable the final output is for YouTube videos.
The violins begin to rise like echoes deep in sapphire skies. A voice without a word appears to melt the frost of yesteryears.
It was really amazing. As you can hear, the quality of the song produced is quite professional and usable. Now you can easily download any song you like and keep it for your videos. Now log into Gemini. At this point, our goal is to turn the prompts into real usable videos. Once you're logged into Gemini, you'll copy and paste the prompts you created earlier with ChatGPT into Gemini. These prompts are the exact commands that define the atmosphere, style, and feel of the video. Gemini uses artificial intelligence to turn these prompts into cohesive, high-quality, professional-looking videos. All the details you wrote in the prompts, like lighting, colors, mood, and overall style, will be reflected in the final video output. Now enter the video editing program. At this point, import the song you previously created and downloaded with Music GPT into the editing software, along with the videos you have produced. First, add the desired song to the editing timeline, and then place all the videos on the song one by one. After this, you start to carefully check the videos. At this point, it is very important to check all the videos carefully, because usually some videos are not the right size and need to be zoomed, moved, or adjusted in aspect ratio. These adjustments make the videos look uniform, professional, and harmonious. After you have adjusted and corrected all the videos, go to the Effects and Animations section. In this section, you can add simple and soft effects to make the videos more lively, but be careful not to overdo it. Effects should complement the video, not distract from the music. After adding the effects and making the final adjustments, your video is ready. That's it. The exact same path you just saw is the same method used by the channel I showed you at the beginning of the video. I made this method completely free and step by step so that you can start your own channel without confusion. Remember, all the tools I used in this video are linked in the video description, and you can access them directly from there. Thank you for sticking with me until the end of the video. Now let's watch the video we made together. Until the next video, good luck guys.
Upon the streams of morning light, her heart plays soft in pale moon's glow, where shadows dance and waters flow. Oh, can you hear the whispers call, like silver threads through golden hall? The wind will carry every note to where the dream and dawn remote. Whispers of the golden dawn, sing the night, now it's gone. Voices float on velvet air, lost in time yet everywhere. The violins begin to rise like echoes deep in sapphire skies. A voice without a word appears to melt the frost of yesteryears. Oh, can you feel the light descend? A touch of magic without end. The piano